Hello Lana, welcome to our lesson for today. This is grade 4 agriculture. Under domestic animals, we are going to distinguish or differentiate between a male and a female cattle. Welcome. By the end of this lesson, I will want you to distinguish or differentiate between male and female cattle. I want you, when you look at different cattle that we have, you are able to pick which particular cattle is male and which particular cattle is female. Let's move on. Before we begin, I will ask you some few questions. 1. Do you remember what are domestic animals? Question number 1. What are domestic animals? And you can even give me a few examples of the domestic animals that we have around our environment. Then I want you to state 3 products that we get from cattle. Therefore, we have 3 questions for you. 1. What are domestic animals? Question number 2. I want you to name 4 domestic animals. And lastly, I want you to state 3 products that we can get from cattle. Are you ready? Okay, so what are domestic animals? Domestic animals, we said, these are the animals that are reared or domesticated, or simply animals that are kept at home. So domestic animals are the animals that you see around our neighborhood. It could be a nearby farm, or it could be that your mother or father is rearing a few within your compound. Those are domestic animals. What are the examples that you have given on domestic animals? Yes, the various domestic animals include the cattle, the goats, the sheep. We have pigs, we have poultry. Poultry are the birds that we keep at home. They could be hens, they could be ducks, they could be turkeys. All those birds are called poultry. Other domestic animals are horses, even camels. And don't forget about the donkeys that also help us at home. These are different animals that we keep at home. And these animals, we say, they are domestic animals. I can show you some few pictures of the different domestic animals. I know you've come across cattle, goats. I don't know whether you've seen some camels or even horses. I bet so. But no worries. We have the cattle there, as you can see. We have the goats. We have the sheep. We have the camels. All these are domestic animals.